A cabin air filter helps prevent dirt and contaminants in the air from entering your vehicle's ventilation system, providing cleaner air for you and your family. If you haven't tried a washable, reusable filter in the past, consider upgrading to a K&N cabin air filter to help reduce strain on your vehicle's ventilation system while providing cleaner air. Unlike traditional paper air filters, which can reduce airflow to your cabin when clogged, K&N cabin air filters help provide protection and airflow in the dirtiest environments. Most cabin air filters are located behind the vehicle's glove compartment, on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the dashboard. They can usually be removed with common hand tools in 5 to 10 minutes. Simply remove the panel containing the filter and remove the filter. If you have a paper cabin air filter, discard it right away and install a replacement. If you have a K&N washable, reusable air filter, follow the instructions provided in your K&N cleaning kit to service your filter. K&N cabin air filters are designed to fit precisely in your vehicle's filter housing for easy installation. Help keep the air inside your vehicle clean and fresh with consistent maintenance of your cabin air filter.